Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by validating the essentials. Make sure your Apple ID, billing address, and card details match exactly, because mismatch triggers declines. Once done, check card expiration, CVV, and available funds so the charge can clear. Next, restart your device to clear transient errors, then open Settings and tap your name, followed by Payment and Shipping to view the stored method. This sequence removes simple causes and puts you in the right screen to fix the actual payment entry. Now you'll act. Edit the existing card and re-enter every digit carefully, because small typos cause rejections. If that still fails, add a different card or choose Apple ID balance or PayPal where supported, which isolates whether the issue is that bank or Apple. While you do this, contact the card issuer to confirm they are not blocking online or international merchant authorizations. Sometimes banks flag Apple as suspicious. Once you change methods, attempt a small charge to verify success before resubscribing. Finish by confirming your subscription or purchase status under Settings Subscriptions and retry the transaction after updating your method. If the app still shows declined, sign out of your Apple ID, reboot, and sign back in to refresh your account tokens. This often clears authorization errors. If problems persist, contact Apple support and your bank with exact timestamps and error messages so they can trace authorizations. Tip: always check for pending or failed charges on the account, as a held authorization.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.